Good day, I'm Johan from Chamberlain Centurion. I'm a board cutting expert since 2019, and today I'm going to explain to you what I would need if you want to do a built-in cupboard. There is a couple of things that I might require from you, mainly sizes. The three sizes I'll require for a built-in cupboard would be your length, your width, and your depth. Once I've got those sizes, we can run through the whole process of what color of board, what grain. Are you looking for a melamine? Are you looking for a solid wood finish, granite lookalike, anything like that we can assist you with. If we can't get it, we can stock it for you. Once you get the feeling of what you would require, then we can do a cutting list for you. On the cutting list, it will show how much of material you'll rather use and how much of an offcut you can have. We will cut it for you, then we will let you know when it's ready for your installation. Thank you for watching. For more expert advice, please visit any of our 9 Chamberlain branches in Gauteng. Chamberlain, famous for hardware since 1903.